in the first row during the performance of your children, and make sure you are not covering the view of those sitting behind you. Parents and students, there will be a school group picture at the end of the program. Please make sure that your children remain in costume until the end of the program. We have restrooms at the end of the auditorium and on your right side of the auditorium. Now we begin the recital with an invocation by Sri Abhijit Chintamani. He will present Sri Vighnarajam Bhaje, a traditional Carnatic composition in praise of Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the deity invoked at the beginning of all auspicious occasions. Composed by Sri Uttukuru Venkata Kavi and set in Raga Gambhira Nata, this piece is a popular invocation in Indian classical music and dance performance. Through this prayer, we seek Lord Ganesha's blessing for a smooth and successful program for all the artists performing today. Please join us in welcoming Abhijit Chintamani.
Namaskaram everyone. Shri Vighnarajam Bhaje, 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 Shri Vighnarajam Bhaje, Shri Vighnarajam Bhaje, 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 Shri Vighnarajam Bhaje. Santatamaham Kunjaramukham Shankarasutam Tamiha Shri Vighnarajam Bhaje. Santatamaham Kunjaramukham Shankarasutam Tamiha Shri Vighnarajam Bhaje. Santatamaham Danti Sundaramukham Antakantaka-sutam Tamiha Shri Vighnarajam Bhaje. Santatamaham Danti Sundaramukham Antakantaka-sutam Tamiha Shri Vighnarajam Bhaje. Shri Vighnarajam Bhaje, 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 Shri Vighnarajam Bhaje. Sevida Surendra Maniya Guna Sheelam Sevida Surendra Mahaniya Gunashilam Japatapa Samadhi Sukha Varadanukulam Sevida Surendra Mahaniya Gunashilam Japatapa Samadhi Sukha Varadanukulam Bhavita Suramuni Gana Bhakta Paripalam Bhayankara Vishanga Matanga Kulakalam Bhavita Suramuni Gana Bhakta Paripalam Bhayankara Vishanga Matanga Kulakalam Shri Vighnarajam Bhaje, Shri Vighnarajam Bhaje, 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 Shri Vighnarajam Bhaje. Kanaka Keyura Haravali Kalita Gambhira Gaura Girishobham Sushobham. Kanaka Keyura Haravali Kalita Gambhira Gaura Girishobham Sushobham. కామాది భయభరిత మూఢమద కలి కలుష ఖండితమఖండ ప్రతాపం కామాది భయభరిత మూఢమద కలి కలుష ఖండితమఖండ ప్రతాపం సనగ శుక నారద పతంజలి పరాశర మదంగ ముని సంగ సల్లాపం సనక శుక నారద పతంజలి పరాశర మదంగ ముని సంగ సల్లాపం సత్య పరమజనయన ప్రముద ముక్తికర తత్వమసి నిత్య నిగమాది స్వరూపం సత్య పరమజనయన ప్రముద ముక్తికర తత్వమసి నిత్య నిగమాది స్వరూపం శ్రీ విఘ్నరాజం భజే శ్రీ విఘ్నరాజం భజే 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 శ్రీ విఘ్నరాజం భజే శ్రీ విఘ్నరాజం భజే శ్రీ విఘ్నరాజం భజే